What is good, teams? This is the Prime lat pullover machine. Now, with it being Prime, you can adjust the resistance profile of the machine. I'm not going to cover that in this video. Speak to your coach directly and they will be able to tell you exactly where they want the resistance profile input. But just for the example in this video, if you don't have a Prime machine, don't worry about that. The fundamental principles are going to be exactly the same in terms of the setup. So you're just going to adjust the seat. So when you're standing here, these little elbow pads are roughly in line with your head. You know, obviously everyone's head's going to be a different size, but as long as it's roughly to the middle point of your head, because if it's too high, it's going to be uncomfortable to start when you stretch so high. Also, if it's too low, you're going to restrict your range of motion. So as you can see, this is about perfect for me. And the benefit of this machine is it's got a kickstand here, so you can actually start in a more comfortable position and you don't have to really lean back and stretch. Okay, so I'm in the starting point here. As you can see, if I didn't have it, I will be starting way back here, which is great for building muscle, but it can be uncomfortable for some. So press that kickstand down, you get a nice stretch. Then what you want to think about as you're coming down, it's not about your hands, it's all about trying to drive them elbows as far back as you possibly can, getting a big contraction on the lats. So nice slow control as you're coming up like so. Big stretch on the lats, and then you're going to drive down, thinking about literally, like, you don't even need your hands, you're just trying to drive them elbows as far back as you can and touch the elbow to this back pocket on your hip. Okay, so a nice big stretch at the top, big stretch on the lats, coming down, thinking about driving that elbow into the back of your hip, into your back pocket, in your hip should I say. Then you don't want to be using your hands too much. Obviously you'll use your hands to guide the machine, but it's all about trying to get that elbow as close as you can to the back of the hip. Nice stretch at the top, as far back as you can, really stretch the lats. Squeeze them at the bottom, driving that elbow again into the hip. And then when you're ready to stop, you'll simply just push this down, go back, take your elbows out, and let the machine do the rest. And that is the Prime lat pullover machine.